Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now let's see a dash cam. I'm not sure how good it is, but I just wanted to try for my car. You never know what's happening in the traffic, so you must be covered or you must not. But we're gonna see what's in the box. I'm gonna mount it on my car and see the quality of the recordings.
You gotta hit play.
And here it is, the dash cam AZDOME. Let's see how it looks like taken out of the box. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Alright, that's it. This is it. Now how do we do it? I just take it, take it, take it. And this is it. Here we have something. Let's see what thing we have here. Oh, this is the front camera. "4K Ultra HD." Take out the little box from the big box. Take out the second lid. This is I'm not sure what this is, but we're gonna check and see. That's the rear end camera. This is it. And we have here the charger. What I like very much about the charger, because I've seen it online in a presentation, is that you also have a USB port. So as far as I think, it should be for charging something else, because in the car, if you just stick it in the charger, that's it, no more room for any other charger. So that's a good thing. This one from here should come here in the USB. This is the card slot. Okay. This should be look like mounted. And we have here an extra sticker for the front camera. Yeah, for the front camera. And this is the manual. We have here a couple of pieces of plastic, which we should stick them on the windshield, and then the camera just on them. I don't know why. We're gonna check and see. Let's go mount it in the car and see what it's doing. And now this is the camera. The nice part about it is that you can rotate it. See? Okay. The sticker, I'm not sure if I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you can just take it out and mount it back if you want. Let's just peel the film on top of it and mount it. Peel the okay. Let's hope it'll be straight. I'll press a bit. I hope it's not too much. Okay, should have been more in the middle, but let's leave it like that for now. Take it off. See, just as I said. And now press a bit more. Okay. And now put it back. Now, before we put it back, let's take the charger. They are a bit tangled here. Take it off the tie and oh, it's long. It is really long. What the? Okay.
The best thing about this is, as you can see, there is also a USB port here, so you can charge something else because you keep it in the car. Charge for the phone, I'm gonna check it for you, see if it works. Charge both the phone and the camera at the same time. Now, with this being said, let's untangle the cable a bit more. Why are you so long? Is it for a truck or what? I am gonna just mount the cable charger here in the USB port. Come on, do it. The other way around. And it's on. Okay. Mount it here. Alright. So the camera is mounted. Now I'm gonna twist it. That's a bad thing about the cable. It stays bent. And I don't like this. Every bent cable might have issues in the future. Huge cable, I don't want it that long. Huge. And
Wi-Fi is on. 5G Wi-Fi.
okay, I've just been told that the Wi-Fi is on. If you could hear anything about this. Now, what I didn't tell you because I didn't know what it was for at the beginning is this tool here. This tool, if you want to mount the rear camera, you just mount it under the rubber piece and just bend it so you can put the wire in. But we'll leave it aside for now because I'm not gonna mount my rear end camera. I don't want to bend anything in my car. I'll leave it only for the front. And now let's install. I have already installed the app. We just go in the app. Okay, so for connecting the camera to the app, I just read in the owner's manual. This is why they are good sometimes. It says go to smartphone settings, and in Wi-Fi you look for M300S. You should check the manual, guys. And connect M300S. Let me check where it is. And the password is the one you have in your book. So input the password and then join. By the way, once you start the car, it starts recording by itself and it keeps recording. Alrighty, tidy. As you can see, that's the London weather. So welcome to London. Let's just wipe it a bit. Nice. I like it. I like how it records. I like the quality. The quality of image is good. And we have here dashcam albums, stop audio recording, switch mode, switch camera video resolution. Now let's see how it looks like. I get snapshot here on the screen. Photo capture successful. Let's see settings. Please stop recording first. Okay. If we go back in the main screen. Again, click on it. It's loading, and now it's also recording as far as I'm aware. Let's check the dashcam albums. Please stop. So stop it first and check the dashcam albums. Would like to access your photos library. Okay. Allow full access. And here we've got the recordings. Alright. And it keeps going, of course. It goes like this. And like this. Let's see the third one. Now it's also recording as far as I'm aware. Let's take the dashcam album. So it recorded along with the sound. Let's play it again. Now it's also recording as far as I'm aware. Let's check the dashcam albums. Okay, so I guess it should be an option so you take off the sound recording, but I'm gonna check it a bit later. So that's it for now. Let's just see how it works. I'm gonna drive for a while. I'm gonna see how the video recording goes in the daylight and in nighttime. And now what I want to see is if I can also charge my phone in it. I'm gonna take my iPhone charger, connect it to the camera charger in the car charger, and I've got my phone here. Yes, it does. It always charges the phone. So that's what I'm saying. You can keep both the phone and the camera and there's no issue. You can charge them both at the same time. That's a good thing to know.